Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be discussing, can you see the accounts that you visited on TikTok? So if I just open up the TikTok app and let me just say I go to this specific account right now on TikTok, this doesn't get logged into TikTok in my profile where I can go into like my history and see which accounts that are viewed on TikTok. Like on YouTube you get your view history. On TikTok there's no such thing as a way to see which accounts you have specifically gone to. The only thing that TikTok has that is similar to something like that, and that's where some people get confused, is if you go to your profile and you tap this eye icon at the top right hand corner there, this is what is known as profile views. This is different from seeing which accounts you went to, but this rather shows you which people viewed your account. So if you can turn this on and off as well, it's called profile view history. And if you have that toggled on, you'll be able to see which accounts on TikTok have visited your profile, and you'll see the list here. Now it doesn't work in the other way around. You're not able to see which accounts that you have visited, unfortunately, on TikTok. It would be a nice feature if they added that to TikTok, but as of right now, in August 2022, they don't have a feature like that on TikTok. So I hope this cleared it up for you. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.